That's right, some real testing code using XCTAssert. Okay, so now um, remember we have the problem of like moving piece right outside the board. So let's create a test case for that. Test. Okay, so test piece not allowed to go out of board. Okay, test the piece not allowed to go out of board. Okay, so now we need our pieces, right? Okay, so let's print it first so it's easy for our discussion. There's no icon, yeah, the diamond icon here, so you can click somewhere else and then click back. Oh no, so we can trigger the compile. Okay, now it shows up. So this time let's run this one. Yeah, it's same as the first one, by the way. Okay, so now let's make this guy out of board, right? Let's see. So XCTAssert false. Yeah. Game dot can move piece, right? So from 0 0 to, let's say, -1 to so we'll test, right? We'll guarantee this one cannot go to the left. So let's run it. What happened here? Can move piece. Can move piece. Two row. This should fail. What about this one? 2. Oh, I know why. Because it is white's turn, so let's try this one. Okay. So row 7. Right, now it should fail. Yeah, it failed, right? It failed. So we need to fix this. So we can add some logic here. Right? Can move piece. So we'll add something like if 2 column less than 0 or 2 column greater than 7, right? Or 2 row less than 0 or 2 row greater than 7, then it's not allowed, right? Return false. Now let's test it again. Yeah, it passed, right? And let's try the other one. Okay, so let's add more test cases. Okay, and actually now we don't need our menu. Well, our to check using our human eyes, we relies on XCT we rely on this guy XCTAssert. So this one, that's at 4 directions. Okay, so for example, this one cannot go to 0, 7, so it's this guy cannot go to the right. Okay, so greater than 7, so it's column 8. And what about bottom? Bottom is row 8, and the column still 0. Okay, and what about top? So -1, something like that. So let's test it. Okay, it works. Now let's comment out this line, okay, to make sure they will fail. Yeah, fail. Okay, so it means this is our guard, right, to protect this logic. Now we can run our app to see if that issue is fixed. Okay, so let's go out. No, it's not allowed. Go out. No. Yeah, no one can escape now. No one can escape. Yeah, it's fixed. Okay, I think now we can put the normal board size back. Where is it? It's inside our board view. So where is the side control? Here, right? Now it's time to put it back. Run it. No one can escape. Let's try this one now. Yeah, you see? Yeah, so before we fix that, the piece will escape. Now it's good. What about the other direction? Yeah, cool. So it's fixed, right? Let's add one more test case for self-capture. Okay, so here, now we don't need the simulator, so let's move this to here, and let's add our piece not allowed. Okay, so let's add another one. Test avoid test avoid capturing on piece. Okay, on pieces. So we still need that. Okay, so that's tested. Reset. Okay, so let's test like this guy cannot capture its own pawn. Okay, so this should be false, right? So 0, 7 to 0, 6, right? 6. This guy cannot capture its own piece. Let's test it. It failed. Yeah. So, but if we run the app, it works. Do you know why? That's why we need to do some refactoring here. We put the logic in here in our previous code implementation. We put the logic here instead of inside this guy, so it's move the piece. That's not good. So let's make a copy of that and put it under here. So we don't need that. We'll return if that return false, right? So moving piece, yeah, we need to, let's comment out this one and refactor, rename the candidate. So command click, rename. We like moving piece more than candidate. Now let's uncomment out that. If that, okay, so actually we can put this one here. That's the good syntax supported by Swift. So paste like that. It compiles and it works. So now we can remove this one here. That's command B. Okay, it compiles. Now we need to make this work, right? Test it. Yes, it passed, right? Succeeded. Now it's time to run the app itself. Make sure nothing is broken. Okay, so this guy go here. Yeah, so we cannot capture ourselves, right? Yeah, okay, cool. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.